So here's how I start. A couple eggs. Just give them a little scramble. Some cheese. Not a ton, but yeah, just enough. Then bacon bits. Fresh crumbles. There you go. 2-second rule, 5-second rule, 20-second rule, who cares? And then give this a little shake here. Well, I'll do that after. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Anyway, making a quick omelet here. It's got this omelet maker. Put 2 eggs in there. Some of that shaved, blended Asiago, Parmesan, Romano natural cheese, and then some bacon bits. And I just got this yesterday, $9.99 Amazon. No sponsorship or anything, but I'm gonna put just a tad bit in here just to give it, maybe a tablespoon there. And then I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a minute. Microwave set for 3 minutes. Here she is, wrapped up with her paper towel, wet paper towel. I'm gonna let that bad boy go for 3 minutes. We'll see what it looks like. And I get to see what it tastes like. I guess I get to taste what it tastes like. Okay, here we go. I just took it out of the oven, microwave. I was in for 3 minutes. As I mentioned, I got a paper towel, and I wet it, kind of wrapped it around it, because anybody that's ever put eggs in the microwave, especially if it's closed, it's got any moisture in it. Sometimes it'll pop. Making a mess out of your microwave, but if you pull it out, maybe making a mess on your face, which won't be like. So there we go. I mean, that's done right there. I take the eggs and mix it up. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fold this over, slide this on the plate, and give it a bite here in a minute. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, look at that cheese. You can see all that bacon. Delicious. Anyway, that's a pan we got somewhere, probably like $1 at one of these Big Lots dollar store type places. And cleanup is really easy. In fact, most of the time, run this and then just run a sponge over with some soap and water in it. It's good to go. But once again, be careful when it comes out of the microwave. It's hot. I grab it from the back corner and the side, take it real fast. What's great about it is you can literally make a nice omelet, 30 seconds plus the 3 minutes in the microwave, a couple more, under 5 minutes, first thing in the morning if you're running late for work and maybe you're hungry, boom. Anyway, enjoy it. And the best part, it's eggs, cheese, bacon, apple cider vinegar. Keto for sure, carnivore, I'm pretty sure. Okay, here's one right out of the microwave. Looks perfect. I mean, you could literally fold it over, just eat it like a sandwich if you wanted to, except for it's pretty hot. But the one I took out earlier, already in the belly. This one is going to be a breakfast that I'm putting in to a plastic container, and we're going to put that in the fridge, and then we'll have a fresh omelet. Well, it'll be fresh. It'll be tomorrow, but pop in the microwave for about 45 seconds to a minute. Boom.